Serving associations since 2001, DAXCO understands the challenges facing your organization. We are committed to creating solutions that ensure you remain relevant and successful in the future. DAXCO Connect, our association management software, gives you tools to better understand your members and deepen connections with them. DAXCO Connect brings efficiencies and security through our SaaS delivery model and open API. This modern infrastructure requires less support by your IT staff and gives you more time to engage your constituents. DAXCO Connect has powerful tools to keep members connected to you online. Through your online portal, members can apply for and renew memberships, update contact information, register for events, make payments, and more. All activity processed through the portal automatically updates in the system. DAXCO Connect's member portal comes standard and links directly from your website. As an added bonus, our team will ensure your member portal and website are seamlessly integrated free of charge. DAXCO Connect's database is designed with the changing needs of your organization in mind. You have the flexibility to add countless custom fields in order to capture all the data you need to fully understand your members. Association administrators can change your system configuration with no assistance from a technical resource and at no additional cost. DAXCO Connect will constantly evolve to fit your changing needs. The Query tool helps you easily access all of your valuable data, giving you visibility into every area of your organization. That way, you can make educated decisions for future success. DAXCO Connect aggregates all member information into one area, allowing you to quickly and easily gauge your relationship with each member. For instance, you can determine when and how you last interacted with each member and how you can further engage them so they'll remain involved in the future. To discover how DAXCO Connect can help you better understand and engage your members, give us a call at 1-877-729-4786 or email us at sales@daxco.com.